Okay, I hope this is being helpful for you. I recognize that you've been spending your time to watch this, and so I'm going to definitely do my part to bring value to you. So I really appreciate the fact that you've been watching these. I'm going to bring this one to you. Tip number 2, the agent tips that I've learned in 23 years, the best agent tips I could think of in 23 years to help you succeed in your career. Tip number 2 I want to bring to you today: discipline equals freedom. Yes, discipline equals freedom. This is one of my favorite ones. I get so excited when I see this one. Discipline equals freedom because, look, it does not matter who you talk to, right? Jocko Willink, Navy SEAL, kicking ass, love that dude. Mike Ferry, top of his game. Tom Ferry, you name anybody who does the best of the best of the best of what they do, and they will tell you that discipline is or equals freedom. Okay, now let's just be real clear. You got into the real estate game because you wanted freedom, right? You didn't want a boss telling you what to do. You wanted to be able to do your own thing. You didn't want to call people. You didn't want to prospect and lead follow-up and all those terrible things your broker tells you to do, right? But here's the thing. When you got into the real estate game to get that freedom, the freedom was the first thing you got away from. You didn't get any freedom. You got freedom from money. You got freedom from deals. Freedom from prospects. Freedom from appointments. Anything that you needed to be good in this game, you got freedom from because you lacked discipline. Discipline, right? I wrote down point number 1: discipline in prospecting. Listen, if you're an agent, okay, I've been in this game a long time, okay? I'm not so dumb that I can't see the changes, all right? 20 years ago, I could pick up the phone and I could call anybody. I could call 5,000 people. It wouldn't make a difference because people would pick up the phone. But nowadays, I'm calling and I'm having trouble picking people up, right? Got a text. Got to do some content marketing. Got to reach out to people. Got to do a lot more center of influence. Your daily consistent prospecting, although it may not necessarily be exactly what you thought it used to be 20 years ago, as I used to be, maybe you need to change your style. But those things don't change. Daily consistent prospecting. Consistency is the key. You got to get in and do it every single day. You're looking for that low-hanging fruit that's possible for you to obtain. I wrote down every single day. Do something in real estate to talk to somebody about a real estate deal, right? Find a way. Find a way. I don't care what your way is. If your way is going around knocking on doors, great. If your way is calling people, perfect. If your call is content market, whatever. But you've got to get the word out that you're in business and you're trying to help people. I wrote down point number 2, discipline in your schedule. Discipline in your schedule, right? Think this through. The biggest problem that everybody tells me they have in the comment section, the DMs, the instant messages, everything that they always tell me, Karl, I just have a problem with my schedule. Look, your schedule's super simple if you just make it that way. Here's what you do. I wrote down schedule 3 areas: prospecting, pretty simple, lead follow-up, and time for appointments. Look, if you did that alone, the rest of it would take care of itself. You know that and I know that. I don't care what your split is with your broker. If you prospected all day long, you went to appointments all day long, and you lead follow-up all day long, okay, you'd do okay. You'd be able to find a deal. You'd get progressively better, and that's all you'd really need. I wrote down point number 3, discipline in time management. You think you have a problem with scheduling. Scheduling is not your problem. You think it's just those 3 things. You think, oh gosh, my problem is time management. I just can't get my head wrapped around it. I'm so busy. Look, we all have the same amount of time. 168 hours. You, me, Warren Buffett, we all have the same amount of time. It's not like Jesus came down and gave somebody else more time and left you at the deficit. No, it didn't happen that way. It's what you do with that time. So you can work hard or you can work long, right? You've heard that. But you'll never outwork the person who works long and hard. Look, guys, be smart about it. Tell me what your schedule is like. Tell me what your problems are. I think it's just as simple as this. It's discipline, and discipline equals freedom. But tell me what you think. Maybe I'm wrong. As always, have a powerful sales day. Bye-bye.